Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at how to work out the velocity when we're dealing with kinetic energy equations. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to be using this worksheet and I'm going to be looking at these questions over here, calculating velocity. Okay, let's pick a nice easy one. Number 8 seems reasonably easy. It says a bird flying towards its nest with a mass of 0.25 kilograms and a kinetic energy of 40.5 joules. So what we've got to do is we've got to work out the velocity. Then we've got to start off with our equation. And we had Ke at the top, half m here, and v squared down here. Now to work out v squared, you cover it up, and you're left with Ke divided by half m. So let's just write that over here. Ke divided by half m. Okay, now let's plug the numbers in. So Ke, according to this, is 40.5. Then we've got half times, and then m is 0.25, like this. Okay, so let's work out what this is. Half of 0.25 should be 0.125, but let's just make sure. So 0.25 divided by 2 is 0.125. So this is the same as 40.5 over 0.125. Now remember, when you're working this out, you're working out v squared, okay? And let's work out what this is using my calculator. 40.5 divided by 0.125, which equals 324. Oh, there we are, 324. Now, bear in mind this is v squared. I don't want v squared, I want v. So what we've got to do is we've got to square root that to get v. So we write it like this. V equals the square root of 324. Now, what you do is this, and it gives us an answer of 18, and because it's velocity, it's meters per second. Dead easy, okay? Let's try another one to make sure you have the hang of it. And if you have any questions, make sure to write it in the comment section below. Let's have a look at number 10, hot air balloon with a kinetic energy of 76,550, 76,550 joules, and a mass of 1,890 kilograms. Okay, right, challenge accepted. So we want to work out the velocity, but we start off like this. V squared is Ke divided by half m. Okay, Ke, they say is 76,550 divided by half. Oh my God, why have I written m? I want to put the number in. Anyway, people make mistakes. It's all good. Half times 1890. Okay, let's work out this bottom part first. So all it is 1890 divided by 2, which is 945. So that's the same as saying 76,550 divided by 945, like that. Okay, so let's work that out. 76,550 divided by 945, and it gives us, I'm going to call that 81. Okay, now bear in mind this is v squared, and I don't want v squared, I want v, so v is going to be the square root of 81, and the square root of 81 should be 9, but let's just make sure. Let's see. Yeah, 9. There we are. And because v, you want your meters per second. So let me show you where the marks lie. So 1 mark for the equation, 1 mark for substituting the numbers, 1 mark for the answer, 1 mark for the unit. Please don't leave any of these parts out. Even if you, say for example, come across this and you write 9 meters per second, you only get 2 out of 4 marks, and 50% is a failure. We can't have that. We need to get our 100% over here. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.